thank you for joining us today for the first ever Hygiene Kit Build charity event in Hong Kong.
So remember today, every package that you make, you might just save a life.
A company is great because they care, and if they care for the community, then everybody prosper.
Yeah, what's happening today, we have around 100 volunteers here from all departments of the hotel, and we are building 3,500 hygiene kits for people in need, for people who are not as privileged as we are, in partnership with the Lady Merkel Hall Center. Well, 3,500, it's a special year for Intercontinental Grand Stanford, a very special year for us. We are celebrating our 35th anniversary. That's why we chose the number of 3,500 hygiene kits. We have started our partnership with Clean the World beginning of this year. We are collecting all the used amenity bottles from all our guest rooms, and as well the used soap. The amenity bottles will be picked up by Clean the World, and they use it and recycle it.
Our partnership with Intercontinental Grand Stanford has been, we have had a very long partnership, very strong partnership. So they were the ideal partner to work with this event here today. Because also we know that the hotel is very committed to green solutions, very committed to corporate social responsibility. So we've chosen them to be our partner for this event right now, as you see. Oh, the atmosphere is great. We have nice music, everybody's super positive. Everybody wants to work together to save lives and reduce the footprint on the environment. So I think we want to do many more of these events. I think it's great.
The hygiene kit is made out of 8 items. In there is our soap, shampoo, bath gels, and lotion that's been sponsored by Guest Supply, which is our global partner. They have been really good to us. And also the event here is being building these items. There is also the toothbrush, toothpaste, and also the razor set. And most importantly, there is a message card that the hoteliers who have sponsored have handwritten, very nice messages to make the beneficiaries feel good. This will go to local families in Hong Kong that are very poor. They come from low-income families. Also new migrants from China mostly. So it's good for them to receive it so they feel good, like someone cares for them. And these are very basic necessities.
今日我哋幫手做義工，幫手入啲番梘。
幫到有需要嘅。
呢個係衞生用品，係幫助啲有需要嘅人士。大家幫手，救呢個地球啦！
好開心啊，可以幫到人，好有意義。
我覺得好熱鬧咯，成個活動。好多人幫手，
我真係覺得好開心啦，因為做人為快樂之本啊嘛。
我哋今日一家人就幫手做一個少少嘅義工啦，咁我哋又得到一個好嘅機會啦，咁小朋友又放假啦，咁公司又安排一個好嘅日子啊，俾我哋又可以一齊嚟做咯，咁我覺得呢啲咁嘅有意義嘅工作應該多啲去做嘅。